Could this be the dawn of a new era for Zimbabwe? That's a question many are asking as the country gears up for its upcoming elections. And at the heart of this narrative is one man, Nelson Chamisa, the former leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. Born on the 2nd of February 1978, Chamisa's journey into politics began at a young age. As a student, he was heavily involved in the Zimbabwe National Students' Union, where he fought relentlessly for student rights and better conditions. This early foray into leadership and advocacy laid the groundwork for a career that would see him rise to the top of Zimbabwe's political landscape. In 2003, Chamisa became the youngest member of parliament in Zimbabwe at the age of 25. He quickly made his mark, pushing for reforms and highlighting the need for a more transparent, accountable government. But it wasn't until 2018 that he would take on the mantle of leading the opposition party, the Movement for Democratic Change. Chamisa's vision for Zimbabwe is one of hope and transformation. He believes in the potential of his country and its people. He sees a Zimbabwe where the rule of law is upheld, where corruption is a thing of the past, and where the economy thrives. But his journey has not been without challenges. From allegations of election rigging to threats against his life, Chamisa has had to navigate a tumultuous political landscape. Yet he remains undeterred, committed to his vision of a new Zimbabwe. In his own words, Chamisa sees the role of a leader as a servant, not a master. To him, a leader's job is to enable, not disable. This perspective informs his approach to governance, underpinning his commitment to service delivery, accountability, and inclusive growth. So, what does all this mean for Zimbabwe? The upcoming elections present an opportunity for change, a chance to break away from the status quo and set the country on a new path. With Chamisa at the helm of the opposition, many Zimbabweans see a glimmer of hope, a chance at a brighter future. To recap, we've delved into the political journey of Nelson Chamisa, from his early days as a student activist to his current position as the leader of the CCC. We've explored his vision for Zimbabwe, a vision rooted in transparency, accountability, and prosperity. And we've discussed the upcoming elections, a pivotal moment that could redefine Zimbabwe's political landscape. As the country gears up for this crucial event, one thing is clear: the desire for change is palpable, and Nelson Chamisa, with his unwavering resolve and progressive vision, stands at the forefront of this potential transformation. Only time will tell if this vision can become a reality, but one thing is certain: the story of Zimbabwe's political future is being written, and Chamisa is poised to play a significant role in shaping it.